What if your bank gave you complete control over your money? No middlemen, no hidden fees, and the power to earn while you spend. Sounds good, right? In Crypto Radar today, we'll explore a neobank that's taking decentralized finance to the next level. It's a platform where your crypto and fiat coexist seamlessly, where you can spend, save, and stake, all while keeping complete control of your assets. I'm talking non-custodial accounts. You are in full control with WeFi, which is basically rewriting the rules of how we manage and grow our wealth. In this video, I'll break down what makes WeFi stand out and why it might just be the game changer that I've been looking for. Let's dive in. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Radar, where we explore the latest developments in blockchain tech and cryptocurrencies. I do deep dives into hot new crypto startups, up-and-coming narratives, the hottest new trends, and even established blockchain projects that you need to know about. So today's focus is on WeFi, the first on-chain non-custodial neobank, which positions itself as a decentralized financial ecosystem that empowers us, the users, by providing us with full control over our assets. The project emphasizes transparency, security, and user-centric services. And leveraging blockchain technology, WeFi eliminates intermediaries, reducing costs, and enhances the efficiency of financial transactions. Let's talk about the key features here. First, user-centric banking. WeFi focuses on offering personalized banking experience tailored to the needs of individual users. This includes customizable financial products and services that adapt to users' preferences and financial goals. Also, DeFi integration. The platform is built on WeChain, which utilizes the Cosmos architecture to create a robust blockchain environment. The integration of Layer 0 for interoperability further strengthens its position, allowing users to move assets across different platforms effortlessly and between various DeFi protocols, allowing users to engage in lending, borrowing, and earning interest on their digital assets. This integration opens opportunities to maximize our returns while maintaining control over our finances. And third, enhanced security. Utilizing blockchain technology ensures that all transactions are secure and transparent. The decentralized nature of the platform minimizes the risk of fraud and enhances user trust. DeFi is all about cutting the middle person, reducing the control over you as a customer, and this is one very strong reason to pay attention to this project. It's what grabbed my attention at first. WeFi operates on a robust blockchain infrastructure designed to facilitate fast and secure transactions. The blockchain serves as the backbone for all operations within the WeFi ecosystem, enabling seamless interactions between users and financial services. And then we can talk about scalability. You see, we've had too many issues with the older networks like Ethereum, which simply cannot scale to meet the volume of transactions that the industry requires nowadays. It's become its biggest hurdle and one that its developers are still unable to solve. This is why when I research any new project, I look for scalability. When these networks are still young and relatively small, they can handle transactions easily. That's not a problem. But once they get bigger and start serving millions of users, we start seeing reduced speed, sometimes leading to congestion, and even Solana, which is Ethereum's main competitor right now, has had many outages and similar issues. WeChain, the blockchain of WeFi, is designed for scalability, ensuring that the platform can handle increasing transaction volumes as user adoption grows. Very important. Also very important is that WeChain supports interoperability with other blockchain networks, allowing for greater flexibility and access to a wider range of financial products and services. DeFi is about interoperability, and WeFi's blockchain is designed to facilitate various operations and cross-chain data transmission. So far so good. There's also a native token, WeFi, which supports the network and plays a crucial role in enabling various functionalities within the platform. As a utility token, it is used for paying fees within the platform, often at discounted rates. It also pays staking rewards, so holders benefit from this. They earn passive income, while at the same time they're contributing to the network's security and decentralization. They also get to participate in governance decisions, influencing the future direction of the project. It's a very popular model that we are all too familiar with. The WeFi token is mined through their ITL platform via initial technology offering, and anyone can start minting. You just need to run a node. Yes, you can set up your own node and be an active participant in the WeFi ecosystem. This is optional. You are not forced into it, but when it comes to being autonomous, this is a great option to have. The token is listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and it's currently being traded on Bitmart and BingX, two popular exchanges. And I expect that this year we will see more listings on the bigger exchanges too, which will of course push its price up. From their Instagram, I'm seeing that the last week they had a record day in trading, reaching $9 million in trading volume in one day. And the token is already up by 2x in the last month, from around 22 cents in December to the current 42 cents price. So that's an impressive performance. And something that actually surprised me a lot, the token is even in Trump's portfolio, as reported on the Arkham website. This is a blockchain analytics platform that specializes in de-anonymizing on-chain data and providing tools for tracking various cryptocurrency activities, including portfolios, transaction histories, and exchange flows. They have up-to-date data in regards to the Trump funds activity, among many other metrics and analytic tools. So I was quite surprised when I saw the token here. It's not a huge allocation, but still, it's here. Bullish. Another thing that I really like is that they're offering a Visa-backed virtual debit card, so we can spend our crypto like fiat directly, again eliminating the need to go through a third party like a bank. I use 2 debit cards and I like to add a few more. I used to spend a lot on my crypto.com card, but they started asking me to provide details about every deposit I make, where is the money coming from, what wallet does it belong to, details of the sender, if it's being sent from someone else. And I do earn in crypto, I do get paid in crypto, so having to enter details of everyone who is sending me money every time is quite a hassle. So I stopped using that card. And now I have this one to add, which is cool. They make it clear here on their website that you can send and receive money without having to be questioned about it. And this is what I like to see. The card is in the making. There's a waiting list, which I joined, of course. It's just by email, so no data is being compromised. Plus, even later when I will need to do KYC, I don't have to worry because they offer ZK KYC, that's zero knowledge, meaning they can ensure compliance without disrupting the privacy of the users. ZK proofs have been around for a while. In fact, this used to be quite a strong narrative in crypto during the last bull cycle, so I'm impressed that they're able to run ZK proofs while at the same time operating financial services. It's basically a DeFi debit card. Impressive indeed. And bold. I'm very eager to get this and start using it so that I can see exactly how this will work. And I will share my experience with you, of course. I also noticed that this is being built by people who worked with Bitpanda and Wise, 2 other neobanks that I am a member of. I've been with Bitpanda since 2017, so 8 years now. That was way before they became a neobank. They were a simply crypto to fiat payment gateway at first. And Wise used to be TransferWise. If you remember, they had the best rates for cross-border transfers and later expanded into other financial services and became a neobank too. So it seems we're in good hands. They had a very fair launch last year with no pre-mined tokens, no private sale, no VC allocations, which I think is really cool. Their approach leverages algorithmic amortization, a widely practiced Web3 method, to balance rewards over time. Here's how it benefits you. Rewards adjust gradually, offering early participants higher returns while maintaining balance for everyone. As token rewards decrease, their value is expected to rise, ensuring sustainable benefits. Tied to real-time market conditions, the system is dynamic and responsive, and a transparent algorithm provides consistency, helping you plan ahead with confidence. And I see here that they promise to have the best rates for crypto to fiat. I'll have to see and compare to verify this, but at least this is their goal, which is also cool. WeFi envisions creating a comprehensive financial ecosystem that not only meets traditional banking needs, but also embraces the innovative aspects of decentralized finance. The project aims to expand its services globally while continuously enhancing user experience through technological advancements. So to sum it up, WeFi is the first permissionless and borderless neobank, providing non-custodial bank accounts and cards. It's a great startup that represents a significant step forward in the evolution of banking by combining traditional banking principles with cutting-edge blockchain technology, DeFi, merging TradeFi basically with DeFi in a seamless, privacy-oriented way, and most importantly, non-custodial. That's a first. Its focus on user empowerment, security, and innovation positions it as a promising player in the near future, and I think it has the potential to redefine how we interact with our finances in a decentralized and fair manner, which is why I'm so impressed and so excited about it. As always, I urge you to do more research. Place it on your crypto radar, and I drop the relevant links in the description to help you with that. In fact, you should follow their socials as well, like X and Instagram, because they are quite active on these platforms and post regular announcements. It will help you to keep track with new launches, new developments, updates, and so on. I hope this helps, and it's time for me to check out. As always, show your support by leaving a like, and if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe. I see that more than 60% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed. Just do it, guys, it's free. All of my content is free and always will be. Make sure to enable notifications too, guys, because I do run giveaways. We just finished a giveaway from Elipo, one of the top hardware wallet brands on the market, and there's more giveaways coming up, so definitely do not miss this. And if you have any questions or any suggestions for topics and content that you want to see here, drop them in the comments below, because this is going to help me produce even more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.